Now then, there's certain cars in the market that have become all of a sudden absolutely outstanding value for money, and this is one of them, the Land Rover Discovery 5. We're able as a company to pass those savings on to a customer. So if you're looking for a like-for-like vehicle, this is a big engine Discovery as well, which is really important. It's 300 brake horsepower, and currently it is the best buy in the UK like-for-like. It's a D300 R-Dynamic SE in Fuji White with a full black pack, with roof rails, with a sliding roof, with a deployable tow bar. It's exceptional value, it really is. 22,000 miles on a 72 plate. I think for a 7-seat four-wheel drive, the power you get, the pulling power, the options inside, the exterior look, then this is as good as it gets for the price point. So then, what is this? It's a Discovery 5, it's a 7-seat, it's got an exceptional exterior look with the black styling, the R-Dynamic bumpers, the dynamic grille, the black badging, and these lovely LED lights. 21-inch diamond cut wheels. Again, condition of this car is lovely. The black painted arches, sills, and side steps as an option. But I think, selling a lot of these vehicles, this is really important. It's got the two-tone leather interior, which against the exterior colour looks fabulous. Lightens up the interior, light dash. Now in this car we've got Fuji Pro with 360 cam, we've got adaptive cruise control, we've got heated front seats, we've got Meridian sound, we've got electric memory seat. Styling features are really important, and I think the roof rails on these cars make a big difference. If you put them side by side to one that hasn't got them, it just makes it a bit chunkier. We've got the opening sunroof with dual sunroofs, and we've got the wind deflector pack. Just little styling features that make a little bit of a difference. And then round the back, detachable tow bar. What an option that is. This is a 300 horsepower Discovery, so if you've got a caravan, if you've got a trailer, it's going to pull that and it's going to do the job very, very well. Air suspension, electric rear shelf, ample boot space if you have got the 7 seats up, but if you don't need those 7 seats, literally a pull of the lever here, those seats will fold flat, giving you a large boot space, and we've got the assisted tailgate. So on a 72, this vehicle is still under Land Rover warranty, which again gives you some very, very nice peace of mind. You also get breakdown assistance with that, but it's got the space, it's got the practicality, it's got practical space in the boot, in the rear. It's a fabulous, fabulous car. Things like keyless entry, blind spot assist, adaptive cruise control, all increasing the drivability and the comfort elements from owning this vehicle. If you're going to buy it, I'm sure you're going to spend a hell of a lot of time enjoying it. And the enjoyment is going to come from that 300 horsepower engine. So a little bit nicer to drive, a little bit more safety under pulling away from lights or whatever it might be that you're looking for that extra power for. This car will deliver. And then features on the inside, enjoyment. We've got the better stereo, the Meridian sound system. We've got the electric memory seat. The step's going to help me get in the car. And then when I'm in it, I do notice that the lighter dashboard really lifts the interior. We have obviously adaptive cruise. I've mentioned it with lane assist, blind spot assist. But the infotainment in these cars is ultra modern. It is the most modern you'll get. You'll find this in the new Range Rover Sport, the new Defender. This is the Fuji Pro interface, which offers you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the 360 parking camera with reversing camera, top view camera, 3D camera, showing you how full surrounding. It's uber clever. Look at that. And then we've got the towing camera, really important because my car I'm sat in has the tow bar. The wireless smartphone integration is really outstanding. But then we've got navigation, we've got Bluetooth, we've got everything you'd want from the four-wheel drive because it is a four-wheel drive vehicle. So if you want to take this off-road, it'll do all that and do it very, very well. Digital climate control, heated front seats, which is nice. But then a really nice feature is the opening sunroof. But if you do notice in the back as well, we do have, if I open the rear one, we have the second roof in the back. So your third row and your second row passengers get that sunroof experience, you know. Air suspension, I've mentioned, it's just a lovely thing and it's on the website now. Key points to mention and just to reiterate is its pricing. So at the price we've advertised this car for live today, it is the #1 price point car for a 300 R-Dynamic SE on the internet today. So be very, very quick because it'll sell. Thanks for watching.